Now today, I'm going to talk about the universe. Alright? And I usually don't make videos back to back like this. I made a video yesterday. Okay? May 2nd. But today is a special day. I consider a special day anyway. This is the only month in the year that has 3 letters. Alright? M-A-Y. And today is the 3rd. Alright? Now, what the universe is not what white men really tell us it is, okay? Because he don't really know what it is and how it's made up. There's theories, but those theories, a lot of them are incorrect. Okay, our ancestors knew about the universe, or the universes. Okay? And that's what I'm going to talk about a little bit. And how it works. Okay? I don't have all the answers, but I'm going to just tell you what I know. Okay? Now, in school we taught that there's only one universe. At least, back then when I went to school, one universe. Didn't really talk about much of it anyway. They focused more on the solar system. Okay? That's not the universe. Alright? The solar system is just what it is. It's a solar system. There's plenty of solar systems in this universe. There's plenty of galaxies in this universe, okay? The universe is huge. Alright? And I talked about in my last video about us increasing our lifespans with technology. Okay? If we were able to get a hold of the technology. It does exist. It does exist. But to get to it, it won't be easy. It won't. Alright? Now, one reason why I said we will have to increase our lifespans because we have such short lifespans. Like I said last year in one of my videos, a tree, the average tree, lives longer than us, okay? And that's just a tree. Alright? Technically, there's no such thing as time. Time is just the tool that we use to measure things. To make sure we get to work on time, we get off on time, we get paid for our time, and things like that. But technically, there's no such thing as time. None. Okay? Just eternal. Alright? Eternity. That's what the universe is. Eternity. But by us having such short lifespans, really time for us is a countdown. Okay? A countdown to our death. Alright? Which is sad, but it is. Alright? But in order for us to really, those of us who were born here and on earth and held captive here right now as a slave, we will have to increase our lifespans to explore just a small portion of the universe. Okay, that's why the Anunnaki have as much knowledge as they have, because they live for a long time. Okay, so the longer you live, the more exploring you can do. Okay? And we will have to do something like that, because our lifespans are very short and we can only do so much in order to travel the universe. Okay? It could take hundreds or maybe even thousands of years to reach a certain destination. And that's almost impossible for us. Okay, we would need to get there in one generation versus starting off now and our great grandkids just making it to that destination that we set. Okay, and that's not really feasible. Okay, meaning you have to raise babies and stuff like that, and you know, it's just too much. Whereas if you, one generation, okay, with a long lifespan, can make more of an impact than a span of generations trying to get there, because that's how long it would take to get to certain destinations in the universe. And I'm talking about traveling at faster than the speed of light. Okay? If we traveling less than half the speed of light, probably won't make it there. Okay? Depends on what it is and what destination. It ain't no question that the reptilians fucking exist. Where they come from, nobody really seems to have any clear answers about that. Just like they don't know where the hell we came from. Okay? The human race. Where did the human race come from? And why are we human? And why are they reptilian-like? Look how fucked up. They ain't really nothing human. They the opposite of being human. The total opposite. That's something to think about.